Hello and welcome to this video learning machines on how you can make money with ChatGPT and adult CPA affiliate marketing. So if you are unfamiliar with these terms, ChatGPT, it stands for chat, get paid to, and it refers to a type of website where users can earn money by chatting with their friends and family and pretending to work. Just kidding. Adult CPA or cost per action affiliate marketing is a type of online marketing where affiliates earn a commission for promoting adult themed products or services or any other mainstream offers as well, but get users to take specific actions such as filling out a form or making a purchase or making a baby. Now let's get into the nitty gritty of how you can make money with these methods for adult marketing and ChatGPT. First, let's talk about ChatGPT. And these type of chat websites, by the way, they typically pay users for participating in chat rooms, and there's a bunch of offers like this in adult marketing and in the whole space. There's also offers where you can get paid for taking surveys or just people clicking on websites or people just going to a website. But most importantly, when people sign up for these offers, you get paid. To get started with ChatGPT, you'll need to find a reputable offer, and then you gotta sign up for ChatGPT, and then you promote this offer. And ChatGPT allows you to brainstorm headlines and brainstorm ad ideas and brainstorm your ad copy and brainstorm your ad targeting for adult marketing. Now let's talk about adult CPA affiliate marketing. This method involves promoting adult affiliate type offers and products and services and getting users to take specific actions such as filling out a form or making a purchase. As an affiliate, you'll earn a commission for every single action you refer. To get started with adult CPA marketing, you'll need to find a reputable affiliate network that offers adult offers and products and services. And the best one I recommend and I use is Crack Revenue, and I make thousands of dollars per day with it, and I've made millions of dollars with Crack Revenue. All you have to do is you go to the site or any other network you want to sign up for, and you just sign up. It's very straightforward, very easy. They just want to know you're going to send quality traffic. Once your application is approved, you'll have access to a whole range of adult offers that you can promote. Some common methods of promoting these offers include you can have a website or a blog or promote on social media or create ads or run ads on Google AdWords. But the best way to promote adult offers is you promote on adult niche websites and sites and traffic sources such as Traffic Junkie or XOClick or Arrow Advertising. And there's a lot more. When promoting adult offers, it's important to be mindful of the laws and regulations in your area. Some countries and states have strict laws around promoting adult offers, so be sure to research the laws in your area before you get started. It's also important to be aware of ethical considerations of adult affiliate marketing. Many people may find these types of offers offensive, so it's important to be respectful and considerate in your marketing efforts. But if they're on adult websites, then you're totally fine. You don't have to worry because they're on an adult website. I mean, you don't have to be considerate in that. But don't do any offensive marketing. But you do want to stand out, so just don't be unethical. Now that you know the basics of ChatGPT and adult CPA marketing, it's time to get started, baby. With some hard work and dedication, you can start earning money with these methods. If you're looking to monetize your adult traffic and affiliate marketing, it can be a great option. With affiliate marketing, you can earn commission for promoting offers and getting users to take specific actions, such as filling out forms or making a purchase, by the way, as you know. When it comes to adult traffic, there are many adult offers that you can promote, including dating sites and toys and entertainment. To get started with promoting adult offers, you'll need to find a reputable affiliate network like I was saying, okay? Some common methods for promoting these offers is mainly paid traffic, but you can also do content marketing. While ChatGPT is primarily a way to kind of brainstorm and come up with ideas, it's also really good for coming up with very persuasive advertising and ad copy and sales copy that basically persuades people to go and convert on your offers you're promoting. And it's a very smart AI that basically lets you come up with a ton of different ideas for hooks and headlines and your whole entire sales page to persuade people to buy. It's crazy what you can do with this. You just input and brainstorm and then have another Google Doc open and just start putting together your plan and brainstorm and put together your whole sales page and ads, and then you run it. This really saves a lot of time for the whole. So anyway, hopefully this helps. If you guys want to learn a ton more about adult marketing in depth, go check out the Money Accelerator. It has tons more benefits inside and tons more courses and training inside. Go check that out, and peace out, learning machines.